Thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully you got a lot out of this. As always, I'm available. I'm going to put my email up on the screen. Feel free to reach out to me. If you have a great shortcut key that I didn't mention, maybe it's one of your favorites, send it to me. I'm more than happy to include it in my bag of tricks as I teach others how to use this stuff. Remember, just practice, give it a try, keep working on it, and I think you'll find that it starts to become second nature after a while, and you'll get faster and faster and faster on your computer. Your productivity will soar, and hopefully it'll be a great use of your time. So I appreciate you watching. Hopefully we'll run into each other soon, but if not, take care, and always come back to TechStar Group and check out our resources section. We're going to be doing these on a pretty regular basis. So there should be a lot more content coming, and you know, every couple of weeks or so, just come back to our resources page and see what's new, what's been posted. And as I said, reach out to me if you got any good ideas. I'm always glad to hear of videos you would love to see added to the resources group. Thanks so much, and best of luck.